Hello, how are you? Would you believe it's already 3 years since I started my website Angel Readings with Grace. It was exactly 3 years ago on March 3rd, 2014 at 3:33 p.m. Hawaiian time. Yes, it was in Hawaii. Yes, it was my coming out of the spiritual closet and finally being who I truly am. I love what I'm doing. That's the readings. That's the healing with Reiki and multi-dimensionally. So I grew and I evolved myself, as we all should. Whatever we have in our hearts, it should come out and it should grow, and you should evolve just like me. We all are evolving. If not, we are suffering. If you're depressed, if you're stuck, if you don't know where you're going and what you're doing, most likely you're not living your life purpose. And the only question that I have for you at this time is, are you happy? And if you're saying, yes, Grace, I'm so happy, I feel like to dance and sing and share my light with others, then I say, yes, you are in the right place. But if you say to me, Grace, what a question, of course I'm not. I don't know what I'm doing, I don't know where I'm going, I have no idea what's my life purpose, then I say it's time to do some work. You're not in the right place, okay? And it's time to get out of there. Get unstuck and get happy. If you need angel card reading with me, here is my website, www.angelreadingswithgrace.com. The link is down below. If you need encouragement, inspiration, motivation, weekly and also expanded daily angels messages, then you should become my patron. And the link is also down below. Different tiers is a video that I updated, in fact, yesterday, saying exactly what is that all about. Different tiers, different levels, depends on what your needs are. But this is the channel, my patron is a channel of happy people. People who don't want to be stuck anymore. People who want to be happy, inspired and motivated. That's what this is all about. So you see, in the process of starting very small, and that's how we all should start, okay? Make a little step, little, okay? Wet your toe, put in that water, and before you know, if it comes from your heart, it's your heart desire, you expand in no time. Synchronicity, the push, the angel's push will be so hard that you will be not able even to stop. You will grow bigger and you will get happier and happier as a result. So thank you again for all the readings and healings and being my, not just patients, but also students, learning Reiki, learning multi-dimensionality. And now even it's possible, and you ordered already, couple readings or astrology, numerology, portrait, and a video sent right to your email. Super. We need to know who we are in the first place. So thank you very much. I love you all. I send you many, many kisses and healing hugs. And until the very next time.